All right, perhaps you want to strum this song with a pick. The pattern is simply down, down, up for the whole song, and that's one measure. You just keep strumming. Of course, you have to know all the regular chords here. You can't play the cheat C. You have to play the regular C and the regular G chord. You can play the F sus2 chord. You got to play regular A minor. You got to play a D minor chord. The rest of it, you've got it covered. Very easy for strumming. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that sounds like this, up to speed. Okay, so you could do that as well. Just you can go by my sheet music and substitute the picking for the strumming. Last thing I want to show you is that intro. And I know some of you are going to want to be able to play that. It's very, very easy. It's only 2-fingered chords, all right? And the first chord is a C chord with your middle finger lifted off, all right? And we're doing a pinch. We're pinching strings 5 and 2 together like so. So that's one measure. 1, 2, 3. The next measure is we're just taking our pinky finger and laying it down right where it is already on the first string, 3 frets up, and we're plucking strings 5 and string 1. So we're going from 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next measure, we're taking our index finger and our pinky off, and we're going and we're playing 1 fret up on the first string, all right? We're plucking strings 5 and string 1 together. And we're sustaining that chord for 2 measures, or as long as we can. So let me just go ahead and count this out for you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep holding on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then the song starts with the singing. The singing, I have a lead sheet, and if you didn't get the sheet music yet, just go right here and sign up for my VIP list, and I'll send you the sheet music. And then one last thing, I have a play along at normal speed that you're going to want to watch possibly and play along with. I cannot play that on YouTube, okay, for copyright reasons, not allowed, but you can go ahead and get it if you go here and sign up on my VIP list, and then you'll get the play along at top speed. All right. Peace and happy picking. If you need help, just comment in the comments area below. I'm here to help you. I want you to play this song. See you soon. Bye-bye.